Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to turn off dark mode on Microsoft Word. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay? So first of all, you want to open your Microsoft Word and now click on the File option at the upper left corner of your screen. Okay? So now you want to click on Options at the lower left corner of your screen. And here you can see the Office Team section. So just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and you can see a lot of options. So I'm just gonna choose colorful and you need to make sure that you click on OK. Okay, and as you can see, the dark mode is now turned off on my Microsoft Word. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.